So when we last left off, I had pulled a little piece of metal out of cylinder number 2. And I think it was just a little piece of metal from the track that had gotten kicked up and then fell behind the coil pack. And then when I pulled out the spark plugs, it fell down into the hole, into the cylinder. But I noticed it and I pulled it out with a magnet, and since then it's been running fantastic. So I don't think any damage actually happened. So we are good to go. What's this? A package? KBD? Well, it's got a hole in it from shipping. Good thing it's KBD, because that shit is all flexed up in there. Let's pull it out. So they come quite folded up in the box. So you gotta put it out in the sun on a flat surface and let it sit there all day, and it will unfold and go back to its original shape. So this will be interesting to see. I'll come back in a couple hours and see what it looks like. Got that KBD sitting in the sun. It's gonna be all popped out to its good shape in no time. 2.4 is gonna have a big old booty. All right, let the bumper sit in the sun for about an hour or two. And now it has taken its final form. Now it's ready to be installed and then smashed into some drift walls. Let's hope not. Boy, it's a good thing these bumpers are flexible, because that would have not fit in the Starlet otherwise. But it fits in there perfect, just the way it is. Yeah. Inside of the old bumper was just filled with rubber particles. All right, got the old bumper off. Now time to get the new bumper fitted. All right, got the rear bumper all mounted up. Looks great. The exhaust is a little off center, but I'll have Tom's alignment recenter the muffler. But actually fits pretty darn swell. She got a big old booty. Little Steak approves. You know, one thing I don't like about my hood is when I have to open it up, I have to use this little prop. Stock hood prop to let it hold up. It's annoying. So let's fix that. So instead of the dinky hood prop, I went with Phase 2 Motorsports hood dampener kit. And it comes with everything you need, all the little brackets, so it mounts right into the stock hood. Let's get it. Voila. One issue I was having was the rear hydro setup wasn't locking up fully on the first pump, because the cylinder for it is a 0.75, which is a little bit too big. So instead of having to double pump it every time, we don't want that. We want to be able to just tap it and have it lock up. So I went with what the villains recommended, and I got their kit, which comes with the smaller bore Willwood cylinder. If my phone would focus, there you go. And all new mounting kit, handle and everything that produces a much better pull. So it'll lock up instantly now. Got the Villains rear hydro setup installed, their mounting kit up front, and it is toy like a toyga. So the hydro setup's right next to the steering wheel, so it's super fast and easy to grab. And I even retained the stock parking brake, so when I want to park my car, I still can, and it works. Just barely fits. We ready to party. We out here at Highland Drift the night before. All the cars are set up. Everyone's hyped. First drift event of the year. It's gonna be great. Everyone's got their party lights on. And Ben's over there hanging out. Hi.